Therefore, just like what Kennedy Japan said, say Embra Wabeka say adeso yakwa kwache konfuo bi na womo ekuminkrofo 4 ya barrier omo a police way no. Yes, police for ababonten abeye press conference akasa afasansem no ho. They have brought the real fact of the issue. Na say na konfuo na kra no enye ba akopɛ say no mo yemienu. Say na wo mo yemienu a police for no e de abeto yenim. Na police for ama details of how konfuo their confession enyama womo angasa e kan se womo aye no me read the transcript natural na we hu se ewiase we nipa hu police penyi CID penyi a wo ye director general of CID your friend the DCOP Ken Yeboah wono e na bode nsem we ebeto udwa na wo se konfuo no mo ye 2 power 1 na ye boni dia ye nia ye fi se wono pe e na ye sa anyambra nsem no enye ono pe ada konfo bi nso ka ne ho a ono nso ye friend Scorpion power 1 ni di ankasa eye Christian Gameli we did 36 very young guy and at the friend Scorpion nso ni di ankasa eye famous Adukonu ono nso we did 37 na wo mutu ni na wo mu free baby ba akon e wo Volta region a ye friend Afife e wo Volta region ho a wo mu etu every Volta region ho a wo mu aba betena sa edukojo eni kofinya kun eye adeso ho no mami dede junction adeso wo mutu ni free Volta region omo etu aba betena ho a wo mo ye akom no e wo ho etiefo na asemo a wo mo eka ene say 1 ne kre senior Kennedy Japan kai say 4 bodies were discovered no one of them eye ex-military man say soldier we did 64 years. Woma confess say yes, womu kun no. Woma confess say womu kun abrante bi nso ye friend Edward Kwate Papa Fio. Yes, womu kun no. Biochemist bi wono nso kaswa. Yes, woma confess say womu kun wono. Ansana abrante bi nso ye friend Kwashi Zomelo ono wo ye Mason. Woko ho wobi ni maybe woko ho se wokoji eduro for na ejuma o se den yo ono nso wo muku ni nkrofofo na wo muku ya no wo mu no na according to CID no eye abrantie no wo ye Messi na wo muku no wono nso wote kaswa na woko ho tese wate wo monka nti woko akoje mwa na tese wo muku ne yayaye enda me no ka se police for say investigation egusa so even though they've confessed no police will egusu ye investigation na ye dey sa conform yenu yi ebekọ akọ gina court na police for say wo mo call ho no wo mo ko hu etio wo konfo no wo mo ho they were armed. The police retrieved 2 pump action guns, single barrel gun together with 11 packets full of cartridge eye power 1 no ono ne ho. Now, some police were kind of so say on April 29, 2020, both suspects admitted having interacted with the missing person, Edward Kwate Papa Fio, for some time, but he was later shot and killed on January 15, 2020 at their shrine. Asema wo mo eka eno. Na wo mo wie ya no wo man kasa kan o say the suspects reiterated that the first body was buried at a particular spot within the shrine and led the police to the scene. Not just say, womu akonfo ne tra police for chi omo no, womu na womu lead the police on the call say, yes, so jeni na yekunu no, ahase na ne body no wo. Omuko tutu ye ne kre. Was it the area was secured for an exhumation order to be granted by the courts. I say on April 30th, 2020, the police, including a pathologist, personnel of a crime scene management unit, forensic science laboratory, drone, and CID operation unit went to Mami Dede and executed the exhumation order granted by the courts. Police for Echo Court. Emma Court, because apparently say yesie will be a untumi mfa ope as police untumi mfa ope enkongo tu ni pakuni mfifi form ho. The police work or court ma court some makasa okay se nkrofo no kan se wo mo asie nipa no wo ho a mun kona mun ko tu wo mo enti police for de wo bi asabi wonim won se nkrofo wu a doctor for bi wo ho a wo mo hwe saa de ne mo no e frɛ mo pathologist. The police for the pathologist kan ho CID for kan ho drone wo mo operate drone kan ho. It is here the penny was say on arrival, the two suspects led the police to the scene behind the house, which has been walled with a small entry but no exit, where the two identified the deceased grave. Now, a pathologist no, womu two body no who say yes, body no omo decompose. The pathologist no better say okay, send ya body no air pro no. We say womu cool no to me say 1 month ago, and now we say womu cool no to me say 2 months ago. Inta no the pathologist no edi echi ekoye. Na ho and a second body, or say a second decomposed body whose name suspect Christian Lawe aka Power One gave as Kwashi Zomeli from Kaswa was also retrieved from another grave. Ti ho na Power One no essentially the police for no essentially ko two foforo e na sa branch na yesi wo ye Messi na wo fi Kaswa no you hu say ne body no e wo ho etiefo enya asem ketwa. Police for discover gallons of blood moja a egu gallons mu e wa konfoi wo mu dem gallons of blood no ma na say wo mu de yeden na montie senia CID fo no eka senia the suspects were lured ende womonka atiasefo asase no ho no. I say the suspects therefore lured the victim into the shrine and succeeded in collecting about 10,000 from him under the pretext that they were going to fortify him spiritually to enable his company to flourish. Abrantie na woye Mason no akonfo no ya adwen ekatene se hwe brabeje mmoa won se ne ya akonfo ba TV so beka uye adwuma wo he a brabeje mmoa na wo adwuma ntu nkosoro brabeje se na wo adwuma ntu sa na mo ye na Mason no so wo baaye bo mo dada na je ne 100 million nti yenim se 100 million wo mo ji wieye no eno na nam so mo di ekun no ana se de yun no one knows wo mo di kun obi de hye ya obi de hye ye kun ya ye je ne 100 million wieye ye kun 100 million eye sike bia no hu ntie wo se wo kun ni pada seni na police was say on January 15th 2020 the suspect invited the biochemist on phone to come for the last purification rites and in the process shot and killed him. Womo Fred the other person nso e wo phone so say one bra because wa call say ohia mboa womo friend say emwana ohia no last one ni ntibrana beyese wo du ho apa womo bo ni tioku no. Was it Power One after committing a crime took possession of the deceased Itel and Nokia mobile phones which he kept with Charity Dakuji, his third wife. Woku ni wieye ena woji ni phones ene ne nyama ena wode command ne yere ne third wife 27 years. Our third wife, wode command ne third wife. No wote mensaba oyibi. Chese ne yere ne kran nse ne nchen. So the command ne yere no ewo oyibi. He later led police to the said house where the deceased two mobile phones were retrieved together with his bunch of keys. Hey, was he suspect famous Adukonu aka Scorpion on the other hand intimidated that he shot and killed Papa Fio on a fateful day with pump action gun belonging to his accomplice. Na DCOP no police for penino was say womo so investigation a womo ye no further investigation womo ye establish ye say eye power 1 no wono na ekum eye zomelo ya what oye mesi na wo ka so ano no zomelo yi kra no yo bi a oye togoni oye one of ono power 1 no ni masons tio power 1 no wo si dan ena zomelo o se die no wono oye mason nti ono ebesi dan ema power 1 no na wo si dan ni wie around February 2020 this year am o si dan ni wie no oji ni sika konfo me si dan na ma me sika ede o kra wejuma ni metumi ama na koso o metumi ama na yeso zomelo ni beti no na konfo na ku no we ku no asemo asem but there mon try mo comment box na won se ni reality dabi ni patri mo sum ankasa ni patri mo sum nti nipa ni ekun se enkoko yi ti for mon try mo adwen right